Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Ishan, and today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to install an app on iPhone when the app is not located in your current location and you are different countries. So without wasting any time guys, let's get started. To get any app on iPhone in any country, firstly you will have to go to the setting app. Scroll down below and tap on iTunes and App Store option. Next, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, then tap View Apple ID. In the next page, tap Country or Region. And then change country or region. In the new creation page, select the country where the app is available. I'm choosing this country. Click on Agree button at the top right corner of the page and then click Agree again to confirm your action. Here select a payment method and enter your new payment information and billing address, and then tap Next button. So guys, you must enter a valid payment method for your new country or region. Then go to the Safari or any other browser and search for the app you want. Install the app that is not available in your country. So guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new latest updates. Thanks for watching.